Let us see how you can create bots that trigger on the basis of particular ads that click to WhatsApp. So if you have multiple ads which have the same WhatsApp number as the destination and you want different bots to get triggered, so how you can do it? First, go to adsmanager.facebook.com, then go to the ads option. Now select any ad for which you want a specific bot. Click on edit, click on the three dots and click on the copy option here. So this is basically your ad ID. Now in the bot triggers, when you're defining your trigger, select the trigger as click to WhatsApp ad, select appropriate channel and paste the ad ID. You can make this particular bot run for more than one advertisement. For that you simply need to click on any other ad, and in the same way click on the three dots and click on the copy option for the ad ID. So now if the user is coming from click to WhatsApp ads from these two advertisements, this bot will basically get triggered and you can build your bot from here. Thank you.